SHA stands for Secure Hashing Algorithm. SHA is a modified version of MD5 and used for hashing data and certificates. Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. I am Ashwara Saxena and I hope you are a subscriber of FameWorld Educational Hub. This is blockchain tutorial series and in today's video I am going to discuss what is SHA. So stay tuned till the end. A hashing algorithm shortens the input data into a smaller form that cannot be understood by using bitwise operations, modular addition, and comparison functions. You may be wondering, can hashing be cracked or decrypted? Hashing is similar to encryption. The only difference between hashing and encryption is that hashing is one way, meaning once the data is hashed, the resulting hash digest cannot be cracked unless a brute force attack is used. SHA works in such a way, even if a single character of the message is changed, then it will generate a different hash. For example, hashing of two similar but different messages, that is, heaven and heaven, is different. However, there is only one difference of a capital and a small letter. This is referred to as the avalanche effect. This effect is important in cryptography as it means even the slightest change in the input message completely changes the output. This will stop the attackers from being able to understand what the hash digest originally said and telling the receiver of the message whether or not the message has been changed while it transit. SHAs also assist in revealing if an original message was changed in any way. By referencing the original hash digest, a user can tell if even a single letter has been changed, as the hash digest will be completely different. One of the most important part of the SHAs are that they are deterministic. This means that as long as the hash function used is known, any computer or user can recreate the hash digest. The determinism of SHAs is one of the reasons every SSL certificate on the internet is required to have been hashed with a SHA2 function. In the next video, I will discuss the different form of SHA. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Put your queries in the comment section below. See you in the next video.